local is what we promote, partly also so that you're not wasting the earth's energies on transporting these things. See, everybody is always going to want a bit of exotic. I mean, it's all right, but it's have it for variety, have it for your taste, have it because you think it's also fun to serve it to people, but don't think you're getting great health out of it, because it's the more local you have, the healthier for you. Also, the climate. So if you have, like, for example, if you have mangoes in the summer, people say it gives you pimples. No, it's not heaty. Mangoes, nature's not stupid to give us mangoes in the
summer.
heat of the summer. It's actually the most cooling fruit. But if you have it after food, with food, it's a mess. Because fruit needs to go directly into your intestine to be digested and get the best energy. If you have mango all messed up, yes, it'll cause you acidity and give you heat. On an empty stomach, you can do an experiment. I mean, it's a bit too late now because we're into the monsoon. Eat a mango, sit down, watch your body temperature, it will come down. It's like magic, especially if it's very hot. Same with watermelon. But if you have these fruits, and also it's watery, so it gives you the water you need. If you have this in the winter, you can imagine what will happen. It has a reverse effect.
Right.
It'll cool you down when your body needs heat. And this is the imbalance that happens. So same thing with having all these foreign things. Like I said, have it for fun, but don't have it thinking you're... And frankly, I don't see what we don't have. We have everything. I mean that like the cherries, the small cherries we have, which are partly yellow and partly red, when they come. You can't get that sweetness in those big fat cherries from anywhere in the world. Now, I can understand still a few things coming from Thailand, but even those, you get everything here. From the best of mangosteen. If you want to go once in a while, go to Thailand and enjoy there.
Right.
And also support your country. The apples, oranges, we have the best of fruit in India.
Right.
We are known, I mean, we are a tropical country. And we really have such the lychees. When my father had a farm in UP, there was a fruit called, which nobody even knows of now, it's called lokat. Few elderly people will know.
Okay.
It was too delicious. And sadly, it doesn't exist anymore. It's just that those trees, at least we have not seen it forever. Maybe if I go to the UP or Delhi market, I may find it, but it hasn't been in Maharashtra for very, very long. But we used to get cratefuls of lychees, lokat, mango.